Welcome to Wellness Waves, everyone. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of a remedy that's likely sitting in your medicine cabinet right now. One of the world's most common, most familiar household items. You probably think you know exactly what it's for. But what if I told you it can do things almost nobody realizes? And when I show you these simple tricks, it's going to completely change the way you think about Vicks VapoRub.
Vicks VapoRub, Dr. Sharma? Seriously? I mean, everyone knows VapoRub. Stuffy nose, coughs, chest rub for colds. That's its superpower, right? Are you saying there's more to it than just that familiar menthol scent? Much, much more, Mark. Everyone thinks VapoRub is just for cold, but almost nobody knows this secret. This little jar isn't just for opening a stuffy nose or calming a cough. It's actually a powerful neurological and physiological tool when you apply it in the right places. And today I'm going to show you exactly how so you can unlock new benefits for your breathing, your pain, and even your sleep. Okay, my curiosity is definitely piqued. I'm thinking about that distinctive smell right now. What's actually in this stuff that gives it these hidden powers?
What's inside this jar is a blend of camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus. These three compounds don't just create that cooling sensation you're familiar with. They actually activate specific receptors in our skin called TRP channels, especially TRPM8.
TRP channels? What do those do?
They essentially trick the nervous system into feeling cold, clammy, and relieved. And here's the magic. When those signals reach the brainstem, they actually compete with pain and stress pathways, quieting them down. This is why athletes secretly use menthol rubs to ease sore muscles and speed recovery. It's not just about a temporary feeling. It's a neurological distraction.
So it's tapping into the nervous system, not just clearing congestion. That's a completely different way of looking at it.
Exactly, Mark. But let's go a little deeper into these hidden benefits. Because when you use this vapor rub on your chest, you're doing more than just clearing your airways for a cold. You're stimulating branches of the vagus nerve that run just under your collarbones.
The vagus nerve. That's the one involved in relaxation and the rest and digest system, right?
That's right, Mark. This doesn't just clear your airways, it sends calming signals to your parasympathetic nervous system, slowing your heart rate, lowering your stress response, and helping you drift into deeper sleep. Something so many of us desperately need. Imagine getting better asleep just from a simple rub.
That's incredible. Sleep improvement from VapoRub. Who knew?
And it gets better. If you rub it on your temples or the back of your neck, the cooling effect distracts or active pain fibers, reducing tension headaches and even migraines. And when you massage it onto your tired calves, it increases local circulation, loosens muscle fibers, and relieves soreness within minutes. So your workout recovery could get a surprising boost.
So pain relief for headaches, muscle soreness, and better sleep. It's starting to sound like a multi-tool for wellness. We've already covered some amazing, unexpected uses for Vicks VapoRub. But Mark, one of the most surprising and often overlooked tricks is applying this VapoRub to the soles of your feet before bed.
That's definitely not where I'd think to put it. Why the feet?
Because those thick-skinned receptors absorb menthol and send powerful signal feedback to your nervous system, up your spinal cord to the brain. This calms the cough reflex in your brainstem, quieting nighttime restlessness and helping you sleep through the night so much better.
So it's not just a localized effect on the feet. It's a systemic signal to the brain, quieting coughs and promoting restful sleep?
Exactly. Your body is flooded with a competing cool signal that blacks out irritation signals from your airways, reducing the urge to cough. This is why thousands and thousands of people swear by it, even when no medicine seems to work for their nighttime cough or restlessness. It's truly a profound neural trick.
That's fascinating. So the next time I see that little blue jar, I shouldn't just think cold medicine. Precisely, Mark. The next time you grab that jar, don't just think it's for cold. Think muscle relief, stress reduction, vagus nerve activation, and a natural sleep hack.
because sometimes the smallest, simplest things you do before bed can make the biggest differences in your healing and overall well-being.
Dr. Sharma, this has been an absolutely eye-opening episode. I'm already planning to try some of these tricks tonight.
I hope you do, Mark. Give this trick a try if you're struggling with sleep or pain right now. This simple tip could change your night and maybe even your life. I only wish it could help to you, your family, and loved ones. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Leave your comments below. And most importantly, make it a great day.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma, for unveiling these incredible secrets. This truly shows how everyday items can hold hidden powers.
My pleasure, Mark. Until next time, stay well and stay curious.